G'day everybody, it's Richard Simons and I am here at the Oldtimer Centre, absolutely freezing to the bone. So excuse my revolting beanie, but it's the only thing that keeps my head with no hair warm. So we're selling a car for a friend of ours today, but it's obviously in our stock. It's a Volkswagen Amarok like you've never seen. This is a guy, he's a chef, he's a perfectionist. Everything on this car is mint original. He's a very conservative guy, and to be honest, I was surprised when he brought in this beautiful big ute because I thought he'd be driving, with all due respect to you, Jack, a Toyota Corolla. But he's one of those guys that you'd really want to buy from. Very, very fussy. The paint is immaculate. It's the larger six-cylinder turbo diesel, the 550, and it's only travelled about 60,000 Ks, and it's a manual with that lovely cloth interior. So really, I'm going to talk to you a bit about the car, but importantly, Michelin tyres, the cover across the back, everything about this is in mint condition, metallic black on black, and again, a V6 turbo diesel. The yellow number plates we can change for white ones. I'm going to open up the car and all of its bizzos. Just trying to find the bonnet release. It is a 2020 model, which is great, and it's 58,000 kilometres, which is nothing. Just even having a look now while I'm, oh my God. I mean, it's a tiny bit dirty in there, but that's just mint as well. The Oldtimer Centre, we've been around since 1994, selling prestige cars, and this car's got 3 keys, logbooks, history, rego, whatever you want. Little stone chip protector there with an Amarok badge. The engine bay looks absolutely brand new. Oh, no, I'm almost not big enough to open the bonnet. Bloody hell. Battery looks new. I just can't tell you, well, I can because I'm doing the video. I can't tell you how excited I am to offer this for sale. So first of all, we're located at 29 to 31 Antoine Street, Rydalmere. We're on 9569 9999. We're going to give you an extended warranty for 12 months, full roadworthy certificate, pre-purchase inspection if you want one. You got to ask for it. And now I'm too hot. So alloy wheels, climate control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, bippers, cameras and all the works, even a daytime running camera. We are very fussy about how we prepare the cars. This basically doesn't really need detailing, but maybe inside that back tray we give it a bit of a scrub and a steam clean. If there's any oil leaks or dents or hail dents or anything like that, which there's not, we would assess and get them fixed. We give you the 12-month extended warranty, which you can upgrade to 36 or 60 months for $500 to $1,000 for a basic upgrade. So we are www.old.com.au, proud MTA members of 25 years, and we did win the Local Business Award in our area for automotive excellence, as well as being a finalist a couple of times in the Australian Small Business Champions Award. We featured on Wheeler Dealers on the Discovery Channel twice in 2014 and 2024, so we're really proud of that. This may not be the bougie-zhougie model with the leather seats and sunroof and all of that, but it is the one, for me personally, that ticks all the boxes. 58 Ks, 2020 manual. The thing feels like a brand new car. The little gear shifter that feels perfect, the clutch that's not heavy, the steering that's light, like everything about it is lovely. The back seats, I really don't think they've ever even been sat in. You know, it's funny, he had a crack at selling this privately, but people don't want to buy privately. They want to buy from a dealer like us, hopefully. And he was getting offers really close to what we're asking. So I think it's well priced for a V6 turbo diesel with 58 Ks, with the economy a bit at the moment. I also think people have more confidence in dealing with a dealership. So we would like to talk to you. I'm going to get the camera off the tripod in a minute. If you want interstate transport quotes anywhere in Australia, we can organise that. There's not even, I mean, there's a little tiny mark there that just needs a bit of touch up. But we do have an indoor showroom with a big car park inside undercover. So if you want to come down and have a look at it, give us a call. We are the major sponsor of the Sydney German Auto Fest Car Day, which is at Gough Whitlam Park. And love to see you at the end of October if you do want to have a bit of a sticky beak. But have a look at this beast. I mean, look under there. We literally have not even touched it. We might have given it an air blow or a bit of a wash when we first got it in, but I actually don't mind those number plates on the car. Don't know why I said that, but I just did. They kind of look terrible on most cars, but just look inside this thing. It's just beautiful. All the dials and buttons are perfect. Everything is lovely. It smells new. You've got your different height adjustable all-wheel drive settings there. 6 gears, forward gears, a million keys, and there's a key obviously for the back thing as well. The seats, you know, they might have a tiny bit of a steam clean, but that's just because we've spent $8 million on a steam cleaner that we should probably use at some stage. Not that they really need it. The back's lovely. And as I said in there, I actually don't know if that's dirt or if it just needs a bit of armour or probably some sort of a car cover there. Oh my God, these are heavy. So mountaintop roll, whatever that means, it's all lockable and hard back, large tow bar with all the electric fittings. Michelin tyres, I mean, stone the crows. How good's that? Pretty fuel efficient still, even though it's a big V6. But again, look at that interior. Big 5 seats. Chuck your kids' seats in there. Let's get a bit more light in this so you can see. Oh, that's a bit bright. But at least you get a really good look at the car. So, why don't we start up this gorgeous vehicle? Oh, speak of the gorgeous day, bloody hell, look at this. The ferries come in. Okay, so you do have to depress the clutch to get this started. Lovely. So you've got there your auxiliary, your different sources you can use, Bluetooth audio. You do have a menu at the start there. Apple CarPlay or whatever it is. So if you do want to do your maps and so forth, I think you just do that on your phone, which is great. I'm assuming there's some form of parking bippers and things like that. Reverse camera, which is great for towing. And yeah, you're not going to find anything wrong with this car. Power mirrors, power windows, airbags galore. No push button seats, move the seats yourself. And come and see us, 29 Antoine Street, Rydalmere. We'd love to meet you in person, take you on a drive. Please make an appointment. And you guys have a great day, and hopefully we'll sell you a beautiful Amarok.